Hello friends, welcome to Shivani Tutorials. Today I will show you a super easy method of making stylish hair bun in just 1 minute. Comb your hair and make sure that your hairs are not frizzy. Here I am using twisting plastic hair clip. Hold the hair from their edge and let your hair pass through the clip. Make your hair as wide as possible. Gently keep rolling your hair in inward direction. Now lock both the hooks together. Carefully cover the hooks with hair and tuck with bun pins. See how nice the bun is looking. To make it more beautiful, you can use hair accessories like flowers or side clip. I am using this small beautiful flower and securing it with a hairpin so that it doesn't fall. Secure this rolled hair portion with a hair clip. Now take some hair again from the front side and keep rolling them and secure them with the pin. Similarly, take some hair again and keep rolling them and secure them with the pin. Repeat the same process to another side. Make sure that you secure the end of the rolling hair with the pin. Comb the open hair and secure the center portion with some more clips in crossing position. See how stylish and pretty this hairstyle is looking. So friends, don't forget to try this stylish hairstyle. Let me show you how to make apple bun or apple juda. Comb your hairs and make sure your hairs are not frizzy. Now put a rubber band in your hair and make tight ponytail. Once again, comb your hairs for no frizz left. Now hold the ponytail hairs and twist them and roll them and tuck the last portion of hair in it. Now gently pull the upper layer and cover the complete bun. Secure the juda with juda pins. Put a side flower or fancy clip to the bun to make it look more pretty. So here we have our very easy and cute apple bun ready. I am going to share the method of a very beautiful hair bun. Comb your hair and do a center partition and leave some hairs from the left and right side. Comb the remaining hair and tie them together with the help of a rubber band. Make sure you tie them tightly and make a perfect pony. Once again, comb the loose hair. Now make a braid of this loose hair till end and roll the end portion of the braid and tie it with the help of a thin black rubber band. Roll this braid around the rubber band with the help of Juda pins and make a fine Juda. Tuck the Juda properly with Juda pins so that it doesn't open. Now take the loosened hair from the right side and comb them well. Make a braid from these hair. Once the braid is almost completed, pull the hair from the braid. Start rolling the loosened braid around the Juda and tuck it with the help of Juda pin. Repeat the same process for the loosened hair on the left side and comb them well. Make a braid from these hairs. Once the braid is almost completed, pull the hair from the braid. Roll the loosened braid around the Juda and tuck it with the help of Juda pins. Pull the hair from the main Juda to give volume to your hairstyle. To beautify the Juda, I am using some fancy hairpins like silver flowers, pearls, etc. So here we have our very beautiful and easy to make hairstyle ready in just 4 minutes. I am sure you will definitely try this hairstyle. Today I will show you a beautiful hairstyle for long hair. First of all, comb your hair well and then tie them with a rubber band. Make sure you tie them tightly and make a perfect pony. Once again, comb in loose hair. Now divide your hair in 4 portions. Take one portion and simply roll your hair in upward side. And finally, tuck this hair roll with a hairpin. Spread this roll evenly and tuck the side hair with the help of hairpin. Similarly, take another hair portion and make another hair roll in upward direction. Make sure you tuck these hair rolls perfectly with the hairpins. As you can see how beautiful this hairstyle is turning up. Follow the same procedure with all the 4 portions. Lastly, to give a fancy look to this hairstyle, I am using some pearl hairpins and flower pin in the center of the juda. See how easily you can style your long hair. In this video, I am going to show you 1-minute French twist with a stick. First of all, comb your hair so that there is no frizz. Now make a center ponytail with the help of a rubber band. Put your ponytail towards your forehead and put a big hair clutcher. Now leave your hair back and comb again. Gently roll the edge of your ponytail and reverse it inside. Make sure you cover the whole clutcher with the hair and secure the loosened part with a hairpin. Cover all the sides and secure them with hairpin. Here we have our classic French bun ready in just 2 minutes. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.